Traders, we are looking at gold 4 hour. I just want to go quickly out to the weekly, even the monthly, and give you a top-down perspective, and then we'll look for an opportunity. So on the monthly time frame, this is clearly bullish. Okay, the big money is invested long gold, without a doubt. This pullback is an opportunity for big money to pair their orders long at a discount, in my opinion. So I'm looking for some opportunities. In terms of a swing trade or intraday, I want to see this break structure bullish, and that could give us a nice opportunity long. All right, but yeah, we'd have to wait for this to shift gears. At the moment, this is really not giving us anything apart from the fact that it's trending well sideways, and heading into a tight corner, something like that. We could even pull this through these candle bodies. Right, so a really tight squeeze here. Which way is it going to break out? Good question. Lower time frame, we can look for opportunity. So let's just go down to the daily, and then the 4 hour, and then we'll look for trade opportunity. So on the daily, this is a key level under here. Right, I want to see it potentially. Yeah, it's kind of broken this bullish move here, bearish. So it's currently in a downtrend on this time frame. Target, well, target one would be that level. This level over here, there's lows. So there's a possibility it's hunting that. We don't know yet, but we should mark these levels up, and then on the lower time frame we have a point of reference, right? So there's a high, there's a low. This previous price swing, low to high there, right? That's also a key level. So the range between here and this previous high, it would be a strong resistance point. And again, this would be a strong support zone under here. All right, so with that marked up, let's just work our way down the 4 hour and see what we've got here. Now, how I like to get involved with this is on a 4 hour time frame, and I'm always looking at what the 4 hour is doing, right? So here, for example, swing low, swing high. So we had this break of this previous high. The pullback higher low is an opportunity to get long, right? So I'm looking for a similar opportunity down here. So this is trending up, the pullback, it trended up, another swing high, swing low. That could catch you out, so you want to be careful there. Now it's trending down, so you want to be looking for swing high, swing low. And the thing is, the further this has been trending, the riskier it becomes, right? You want to get in early on the break of structure, this bullish break of structure. In other words, this trend here is compromised. Well, here we get this break of structure, right? Breaks this previous high, the pullback to higher low, right? That's your opportunity. So I'm preferring to get in early on these trends. So as the trend progresses, i.e. like this one here, well, the risk increases, the risk of the reversal. So I'm looking at this trend now. The opportunity would have been swing low, swing high, the break of structure pullback here, lower high, all right? That, if you were watching it, that could have been an opportunity given that it's broken structure. So as I said, like the risk increases the further this trends. The risk increases because it's going to look to rotate. And where's it going to rotate? Well, have a look over here and I'll show you something. We've got, let's grab a pencil here. See these lows under here, right? There's liquidity sitting under here, right here. So we can mark that up as a point of interest. A liquidity pool under this range. So we have sell-side liquidity sitting under here. This could be the target, and this could be where it decides to rotate, possibly, right? But you want to mark up the chart. Let me just label that liquidity pool. All right, so this is our first reference or our first port of call for a possible shift. In other words, this 4 hour starts to trend up. And if that's the case off this liquidity, if we get a break of structure here, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. I hope that makes sense, guys. That's one way to look at this. Now, if it continues down, then the next port of call is going to be this low. And see these lows under here? There's another liquidity pool sitting right there. Well, you could even pull that through there, right? So there's liquidity pool number 2. So this is where the market's going to react if it trades into these levels, right? So I'm thinking, given the amount of sell stops that would be sitting here and here, I think this is going to hold through this support zone and potentially trade north. So that's why I'm looking for I'm looking for some kind of rotation wherever it happens, and a break of market structure bullish. That's what I'm looking for. So it could happen anywhere, and I think that would be a really good opportunity. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm not trading today. I'll be watching this over the next, and into the beginning of 2025. I'm looking for opportunities. I'll be getting really aggressive with gold into 2025. So check out the link in my signature below. See what I'm doing, and that might align with your interests as well. Perhaps I'd love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment. That's my take on gold. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.